Hi, this is Prashanti from Dubai. I'm here to give a testimonial for Eliana for the amount of work that she has done on me and the courses that I have taken with her as well. I met Eliana a couple of years back, I think. It feels a very short time, but it's been a while now. She was offering a workshop in one of these healing centers in Dubai, and it would always have catchy phrases like clear your toxic residues, and so on and so forth. And I thought that always struck a chord with me. And I decided to give these workshops a try. And the time that I met her, I was going through a very rough patch in life. Everyone sort of has that phases in life where you feel stuck in different aspects, different areas, and you're looking for answers. Spirituality is a great way to get answers, and we plunge into it. And that's exactly what happened with me as well. I think our generation and a few others before us have not been very lucky, and we've sort of made to believe that we are limited and we don't necessarily have enough power to change things in our lives, and we're always looking for external sources to fix things. I have learned to not believe in that anymore. People like Eliana have done a fantastic job in changing that perception, and their constant work towards educating humanity of the incredible power that we have in fixing ourselves, changing our limitations, has been tremendous. I have worked on a number of issues that I've wanted to change and improve in my life with Eliana, and she's always had a very structured, methodical approach, even to healing, which to me was very appealing, because we are people of science. We're constantly looking for things that can be proved, things that have a certain methodology and process, and she gave that to me in practically every session. We always would go down to the root cause of things. She'd talk about how she would want to go and start at the time I was conceived, the time where I am today, and so that always appealed to my brain. And of course, her sessions were always powerful, where I would feel shifts, I would feel changes, I would feel things like my heart opening up, I would feel sensations in my body. So I was getting a bit of everything in those sessions for me to believe that there are changes that are happening within me. And then, of course, there's the tangible changes that you see in your life, the manifestations of it, which is also tremendous. One piece of advice that I would give to everyone, if you do get into this beautiful, and then of course there's the tangible changes that you see in your life, the manifestations of it, which is also tremendous. One piece of advice that I would give to everyone, if you do get into this beautiful world of healing, you may meet very good facilitators of healing like Eliana if you're lucky, but you also have to be ready from your side. This is something that sounds very mundane. You might have heard this over and over again from very different people, but the fact is that you need to be open to changes in your life, and that's when you start seeing them being manifested in front of you. I have brought a number of things that I have wished to work upon and improve in my life to Eliana, and they range from health issues to being stuck at work, to wanting to be in a good relationship, to exploring my creative side. And I can hands down say that I have seen huge shifts in almost all of these that I have worked on. And this to me is I consider myself very lucky. This does not happen to a lot of people, and it doesn't happen with a lot of people either. So this has been a huge has made a huge difference in my life. And I've also taken courses from Eliana on Theta Healing. I'm yet to explore the sacred activations side of her knowledge as well. But Theta Healing, I've been introduced to. I've taken a few courses, and I thought she's a reservoir of information. I've spoken to people who have taken courses with her and other people, and she's always told me, and they've always told me that she brings to the table things that come from her own experience of doing this for so many years and meeting so many different people and healing them. And that I think is tremendous, because a lot of people give you bookish knowledge, but the true knowledge comes from experience, which she gives you in abundance. So that is a great thing to have from a teacher. And it's also something to remember that not a lot of people, or rather we should have a lot of people in this world that um, want to make sure that what they know and what they believe in and what they're constantly learning for themselves, that they have to give back to the world. And Eliana is one of those people. I've never seen her holding back on knowledge in the courses or even in our sessions together. She's always giving me as much as she can, not just for me to understand and absorb, but also for me to learn so that I can take that forward with my own practice. And that is a very, very commendable nature of hers. So just to close off, I'd like to say that enjoy your time that you have interacting with Eliana. She will bring a tremendous amount of knowledge to your life as well as changes. So be open to that, enjoy it, and take in as much of the positivity that she will bring to you, because she will constantly drill it in you through the way she generally is in life and through your sessions, that anything is possible, any amount of changes are possible in the highest and best way, and this knowledge is going to change the world, your world and the world around us. So best of luck.